Guys, these are the things that we need for our French toast. Greaseless. So, we're going to put 3 eggs, 1 condensed milk, tapos 1/4 lang nitong box na to. Nestle fresh milk or any fresh milk. So, mga 250 ml. Then, of course, yung bread. Butter, and we're going to use the square griddle and the cake pan na lang. Dito natin isusoko yung bread. Ready? First is we're going to crack the 3 eggs. After cracking 3 eggs, lagay po natin yung milk.
Lahat to?
Sige te. 1 can condensed. Scrape natin lahat para di masayang. Natin to, 250 ml na fresh milk.
Ito na may pairigaan? Opo.
50 ml to 300 ml of the milk, then mix it all together. Guys, you have the option, kamukha ko, naglalagay ako ng vanilla oil at saka lemon oil pala. Wait lang ha. The lemon flavor. I'm just gonna drop 2 drops. 2 drops of this. All together, then we're going to soak the bread. Mix and then soak the bread later. So, preheat the square griddle, put the butter, soak the bread. Soak it, soak it, soak it. Mas masarap kung marami siyang na-absorb, guys. Na mixture ng French toast butter. Start toasting your French toast bread. Then, yan. Ayan, hindi siyang ma-toast. There go. Smells good. So guys, it depends upon you if you like 3 to 5 minutes no on each side. Yung iba gustong ma-toast, tayo okay lang. Medium fire only, guys. Lang namin. Up to you. Ito para siyang pancake style na. So, what to do pag malapit na mag-expire yung bread? Ganyan ho. Or yung pudding. Maybe next time we can do the ovenless baked pudding cake. Pag naluluma na yung bread. Pero, iba-ibang bread ang pwede nyo gamitin ha guys. Whiskey sa pandesal na try ko din. You're here, bango-bango. Bango-bango po guys. Partner na yan nung no oil fried bacon tsaka no oil fried sunny side up egg. Magugustuhan ng mga anak mo. Hindi siya babad sa oil, guys. Butter nga lang ginamit natin eh. Pang-grease lang nung pan. Yeah, it smells good. Yan. Pag may salad master ka na, madalian na lang. Guys, luto na po ang aming Saladmaster rice breakfast. Picture. Galing. Luto lahat ni Ate Ana yan. At ako.